How far is the price of XRP going to continue to push down? And is $10 coming very soon? Well, I'm going to break it all down for you in this video. We'll take a look at exactly what's going on and whether you should be worried or buying more XRP, all of that. Like I said, in this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with everything going on with XRP as well as the broader cryptocurrency market. And with that being said, let's head into this video. So here we go. How far may XRP price extend its correction phase? Now, think about this. We got the news of it not being deemed as a security. And then on the back of that, there was a ton of people debating whether it was right, that we're going to see the SEC appeal. Bear in mind, we are now counting down the days, 6 days until we see the SEC run out of time in terms of the appeal. So what did we get? Well, currently we've got XRP price, a suitable support, an ascending trend line near the 6.7. We have actually descended beneath that right now. We're at 6.184 is the current price. But the breakdown intensified the seller momentum, leading to a bloodbath of 6 red candles. Will XRP sellers evaporate the July 13th gain? And that was absolutely huge amounts of retail investors coming in and buying XRP. Well, what do we kind of get when we break it down? We've got the XRP price falling with increased volume, indicates sustained selling from the market. The 0.56 level stands a strong support. We could even push down to that point. We see it on the fib as well. And the intraday trading volume of XRP is 1.4 billion, indicating a 75.1% gain. So the volume is up. We have, however, seen that in the broader cryptocurrency market. We see 62% increase in volume, but the price is down. We're down about 0.04%. XRP has dropped to the 5th largest cryptocurrency, down 1.43. Like we said, look at that volume though, 72.5%. on the back of that. So what do we all want to know? Well, ultimately, we need to understand that the price can return, but we do need to find a level of support. So sustained selling the XRP price could drop another 8% to reach the next significant support of 0.56, although 76.8 fib losing this support would offset a recovery witnessed on July 13th. Now, that would be a significant push down, but it says the daily chart projecting a long tail rejection indicates buyers are entering the market at a discounted price. And the buildup of bullish momentum may trigger a pullback in a downward trend. And if the anticipated uptick showed sustainability below the breach trend line or 0.66, the sellers are likely to extend the correction trend line. So what does that mean? Well, look, here is where we currently sit on this trend line on the fib. You can see there the 0.58 fib is probably as low as we would go, which would take us to 0.58. Now, the argument is we could go a little bit lower, which would give us a historic data. We broke the 200 trend line. We're on the 4-hour here. What we do want to see, though, is this bounce off this 60 and then start to push up. Now, we've seen this bounce and test a couple of times here, and then we did break with a retest all the way back up, looking for some support off the 7. But what we could do is see this push up into that kind of higher rate on the fib at the 0.78. That would be definitely a ascending push as we start to move up, given our volume. But RSI is massively oversold right now, so you'd expect this to definitely start to pull back with the broader crypto market. Bitcoin trying to break out a little bit. And that's where we get into the argument of, could we see a $10 XRP? Now, I've talked a couple of times about whether this could be. We do need a significant move. You can see there slump about 12.1% as we walk through. But the Elliott Wave theory. So Elliott Wave is a technical analysis approach used to predict price movement in financial markets and identify recurring patterns. Why are recurring patterns important? They ultimately depict traders' mindsets. So these waves are believed to reflect the psychology of market participants, alternating between optimism and pessimism. And what we've got right now is a really fickle market. People are prepared to sell. We've seen it with Shiba Inu absolutely rocket up, bearing in mind what that's got coming, but then the market has then just sold on the back of it. So here you can see these kind of points in which it walks through, these kind of bullish triangles, the breakout to the upside, and then it forms a very similar pattern. So the argument would be, do we get an upside? Now, you have to bear in mind that it would be slightly different in the sense that this was the news of XRP not being deemed as security. However, there is still some court case things going on, underlying issues, but we do know that XRP is continuing to build out. We do know they partnered with the ISDA, which is a huge step forward into integrating into the financial sector. And I talked about that in my previous video. So if you haven't watched that, definitely go and check that one out, because there is a ton you need to know about the ISDA and why that is incredibly bullish for Ripple. And finally, look, we've got more clarity coming to XRP's legal status, probably more so than any other cryptocurrency out there. Equally, it allows them to focus on development of the ecosystem. We've seen new XRPL partners coming on board, and even Bitcoin projects that will be burning XRP as part of that. Very exciting. But it says recent analysis reveals XRP finds itself in a crucial junction as it clings to the 50-day exponential moving average support level. And this level historically proved strong support during market downturn, often acting as a springboard for price rebounds. And that's exactly what we can see. The 50 there is the orange line as this kind of comes down. Now, if we come out into a little bit of a higher time frame, we come to the week, we can see we are absolutely bang on this orange line, also holding on to this kind of 6214 support level. So this 50-day exponential moving average, we want to keep an eye on this one. What we don't want to see is a breakdown below this. This will probably signal some more bearish moves when it comes to XRP. But if we get a positive upturn, we equally therefore get a very similar sentiment. Would it break $10? I think it's in the pipeline. I do think, however, it wants to come in a little bit. We need to break through this. We could be on our way back up to sort of $3.34, $4, even $5 as we start to move more bullish with XRP. But you let me know in the comments, what do you think? I think there is more build outs coming for XRP. We know that people right now are very fickle in the market. People are trying to spook people out. We've seen it with BTC. We've seen it with a lot of other coins. Market makers right now having a field there. Don't get spooked out of your positions. I do think, however, you might be able to pick XRP up at a slightly cheaper level, which might be the last time you ever get to pick it up at that point. But let me know in the comments down below, what do you think is going with XRP? Do you think we're going to see some more downside moves, or do you think consolidation before a significant breakout? As ever, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate all your support. And if you want to see more content about XRP, all you got to do, smash the like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care now. Bye-bye.